Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the ESA Series 125kW 261kWh unboxing and installation. Introduction of the ESA Series. This is the main body of the ESA Series 125kW 261kWh energy storage system. On the front are the indicator light, emergency stop button, door lock and ground port, energy storage system nameplate and 4G or Wi-Fi antenna connector on the side, pressure relief valves and water fire connections on the back side. Open the door to energy storage systems. We can see a number of modules. They are battery system, power distribution unit, liquid-cooled units, energy storage converter, local control module, perfluorohexanone fire extinguishing equipment, smoke detectors, temperature detectors. Fire protection system can provide protection against thermal runaway of electric cells. At the same time, the back of the energy storage system is equipped with a standard water fire connection. Here's where the main components are located. Installation of the ESA series. Installation of 4G or Wi-Fi antenna. Open the door to energy storage systems. Ensure that the internal and external ground connections of the energy storage system are secure. Install the AC side cables in sequence. Fasten the cover. To power on the battery, turn the emergency stop switch to the right. Turn on AC molded case circuit breakers in sequence. DC circuit breaker, AC auxiliary switch, DC auxiliary switch. The storage converter starts to operate. Close the front door. After the front door indicator light changes from white to green, grid connection of the system is completed. This is the unboxing and introduction of the GoodWe ESA Series 125kW 261kWh energy storage system.